This is a video introducing the key features of Genfest waterproof smart, 12V, 20A, lithium iron phosphate battery charger. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of Genfest waterproof smart, 12V, 20A, lithium iron phosphate battery charger. Professional 14.6V lithium iron phosphate battery charger, for 12V lithium iron phosphate batteries. 20A output and smart 4-stage charging to deliver a full charge while maximizing battery life. Efficiently recharges a 100 Ah deep cycle battery from 0 to 100% in 5 hours. Dual connectors, 2 heavy-duty connectors for 12V lithium battery charger. M8 ring and alligator clip compatibility with almost any 12V lithium iron phosphate battery system in RVs, marine, and off-grid setups. No extra adapters needed. IP65 waterproof and advanced cooling. Engineered for harsh environments. The rating protects against rain and spray for reliable use on boats. An ultra-quiet fan with smart temperature control ensures optimal heat dissipation for stable, fast, and safe charging. Charges with confidence. Microprocessor controlled for intelligent, automatic shutdown. Includes comprehensive protections and is ETL, FCC, CE, RoHS certified for your safety. User-friendly design and LED indicators. Simple operation with clear LED indicators for real-time status, power, charging, full, fault. Built with a rugged housing and thick cables for maximum durability in solar and home energy systems. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.